Dumelang sanibonani bafethu. Today speaking today ngifuna sikhulume about uSima. Into ayitshoyo lapha about uGohluba ukuthi after uGohluba ethole ukuthi uSima uyachita. Uthi after lapha relationship zange saba mnandi because uGohluba into wayesenza ke manje wayechita azahlekise ngaye wayesezwe amaHillfield ukuthi azini. Ughost kaHluba uhamba amalunde ubamba amantombazana left and right, you understand? And nokusho sometimes ngithi guys, if uyacheat ku relationship ubhaqwe ipartner yakho angeke sakuthina leyo mekuthetha ngakhona senizizitha but ni sharing ngubo, you understand? Nizithe sharing ngubo nina, you understand? It's either umuntu osifazana ubhaqela ucheater, yes angaxolela ukuqala okwesibini okwesitrip, but when times goes on you're gonna come back yangithola nge revenge yangithola ipakulahlanga is gonna cheat back, you understand? The same thing enza kuSima uGhost, but uSima uthi cheatile ngesikhathi zabe ku rally ye EFF, and then after that uthi uSima walala uthi sekelele kanjalo kamnandi kanti me uTikTok ifone ngayilokhanga uGohluba was going through chats yakuthola wathola conversation kaSima nomngani wakhe uSima like distract yonke into ukuthi makwenzakalani ini, you understand, with this new guy. And then uGohluba kuseni wavuka wamthatha wamdropa off, make wamdropa off kukwabo wamchazela ukuthi umbhaqele kanje nakanje uSima uthi uqatha ndadeny okwesibini ndavuma uthi uGohluba ngixolela, but deep down ngengamxolela because a guy doesn't forgive cheating, guys. Yekani uqhathwa social media but hey umfana uyamxolela, umfana akaxoleli, umfana uyakubeka okwamanje for ukuthi at least akwazi ukubethola ama-fruit, yayibona into leyo ngesikhathi sabheka umaqondana while wena ukhona, yabo hayi ukuthi ukuxolela akaxolelanga, cha, just nje usakubekile sekureserve wena ubekile lapha yana ngesikhathi sabheka, you understand? Because akafuni uba yi-one, ufuna ube busy maybe makeziva ukuthi abethinta wena okwamanje, uyayibona into leyo. So ke ngokuthi uSima after lapha emxolelile zakube mnandi because uGohluba etholakala everywhere cheater. It's because that moment mekefuna uCherry akazi ukuthi uqondile azwazi umreplace ngobani ngaye uSima, azokwazi ureplace uSima ngalo ntombazana leyo, you understand? So guys, it's very important mo cheat lo relationship ungcono uphume. That's my advice, ungcono uphume ungabe busy uhlala because you wasting your own time. Angeke ilunge lo relationship leyo, especially mo bhaqiwe if uyintombazana, you understand? Noma ungumfana sene chance ukuthi ungayilungisa lo relationship leyo if you are change indlela zakho, but zincane nazo because umuntu wakubhaqa ucheater I-trust go away, you understand? So guys, watch out, mosani ukuzifaka enkingeni is unnecessary ngezinto engakwazi ukuthi ngizigweme.
Now we got back together. Get it? You forgave me. Got back together. Wait, guys, I was a laughing stock in Pretoria.
Now he was
going
crazy.
Kupitori. Guys, I was a laughing Hatfield. I was a laughing stock.
When and they will always say Sima's man. They'll always attach your name to it.
But we saw the car, and there was a video.
Yo, and I got a fita, money. Enefita.
On life when he
They saw the car, and then they saw him standing with the girl, and then when I confront him, oh no, we're just doing a gold digger prank. Gold digger prank by foot. I want to expose you, Moose gone.
That's fine.
Yeah. You get like he would be like, no, we were shooting, we were like, so he was such a bump. Like I'm even shaking.
It was bad.
Guys. Oh, I was Nasa Sanka. Pretoria
Bona.
Kofela.